You looking at the camera? Good morning, everybody. Dane from Great Dane Reiki here. Today's video is gonna be about. It's gonna be a demonstration of animal Reiki, and big thing. And I mean, as we get started here, you can already see Axel is giving me consent. But a big thing when I work with all human and animal clients is consents from the humans, consent from the owners, consent from the pet themselves to receive Reiki energy. So this one, it's going to be a demonstration of what animal Reiki is like, but every case is going to be different. I've known Axel here for quite a few years, so he's already comfortable with me. We are doing the Reiki in Axel's home. And for animals, if the people are welcome to it, I much rather do it in their homes just because the dog is already comfortable with that space. We know bringing in the vets in other places, they may have that anxious and anxiety and nervousness. So I like doing it where they're most comfortable. As you can see, Axel here wants to be touched. He is initiating the contact. I let the animals, I do what, buddy? Let the animals dictate the session, whether there's contact, no contact, just gentle touching. You may see as we go through that he either lays down here by me or even just goes and hangs out in one of his spots. And they're still receiving the energy. But as you can see, he's just chilling out right now and accepting the energy. But in other cases, the dogs that don't know me yet, some dogs meet people and they absolutely are all for contact and touch, and other dogs are leery. So I always want the consent from the animal and the owner. Hi, buddy. And let the animals dictate the session, whether they come to me or they just sit in a room or they're just stay in their spots. They're still receiving the Reiki energy. So like I said, Axe here is just taking in the pets right now, but I've known Axel for quite a few years and we've spent quite a bit of time with each other. So as you can see, he's now flopping down to the floor. So he may stay here while we do the session. He may get back up at some point, or he may even just head over to the spot he's used to laying. So I'm gonna quit talking for a little bit. I'll instruct as different things go on during the session, but I'm just gonna focus on giving Axel some more Reiki right now. Like I said, even while I'm talking, he's getting the energy. But just kind of getting myself in that mental space right now. Bless you. Bless you, buddy. Yeah. Make you sneeze. Okay. And Reiki, just like with humans, I'm kind of just petting his upper half here by his head, but Reiki goes anywhere the energy is needed. Just a conduit. The bodies of the animals, the humans, knows where it needs to go. Whether he's having some pain or some anxiousness or just general calm. I mean, he's starting to sleep here. And as you can see, he's turning so I can, give you a different, bless you. You got the sneezes this morning, okay. The sneezes got him up some, but he's still initiating the contact. The animal decides how the session goes. Even, like I said, if he walks away here in a moment to lay down somewhere else, he'll be off camera, but he's still receiving the Reiki. But it's always 100% letting the animal dictate how the session goes. And see, I can take my hands away, and he's not holding him here. He wants the contact. So the animal's, I know, I quit, but the animal is free to come and go as they want to. But as you can see, he's enjoying it here. He's initiating the contact, and as soon as I stop, he reinitiates. Right, buddy? Right? Oh, yeah. And he's okay with standing up or sitting down. I've had some animals that have bone and joint issues and can't get up. So I will get down with them if they want the contact. A little achy myself right now. I'm having issues with a knee. So since he's good with laying here right by me and wants the contact or standing up, letting him dictate. But I will get down if an animal wants contact but can't get close enough. I will get with them. Right, buddy? Yeah. You enjoying this? Oh, thank you. Thank you. Yeah. Oh. In the first time meeting an animal, it's all, like I said, it's about the consent, but it's about their comfort level. And I've known Axe here for quite a few years, so he's already comfortable with me. But other animals, definitely noticing the difference by the end of the session. But with Axel, it's kind of like with my own dogs. I have that comfort level there with them already. That I don't want to say this is a one-off, but this is a dog I have a relationship with already. So we are doing a demonstration, but it's already established. So with your pets, your animals, that first session, if they're a little leery, and that happens, gotta sneeze, bud. Like I said, I had one where my first couple, the one animal, yeah, it was leery. It was bless you, anxious dog, and I'm not gonna add to that anxiousness. But by the end, the pup was at least sitting under my chair, was coming closer to me, and I'm sure over time that relationship would build with their comfort level. And then another dog, the first time I met it came right over to me, wanted to be pet like this. So yeah, it's the dogs, the animals dictate the sessions. Oh, yeah, sneeze again. Don't fall over, buddy. Oh, yeah, big yawn. And as you can see, during this session, he's calming down some, he's relaxing, but he wasn't really worked up to begin the session. A lot of it's just been him chilling out, initiating the contact, but you can see for the most part he's been relaxed the whole time. Getting up some and moving, but for the most part he's just been chilling out here and welcoming the energy. Mm-hmm. I know. As I said, it's different for every animal. They experience it different. Like humans, they all have their own personalities. It's never to force results with the animal. It's to offer that calming space for them, to allow them to get that comfort level. What, you checking out the camera? And yeah, I mean, the goal is to get their nervous system, a lot of the dogs, to reset, to be able to relax and take in that energy. But if you found this helpful or interested in learning more how it may be able to help your pet, your animal, your dog, or even yourself, please feel free to reach out. I'm going to try and film some different ones with different dogs and different clients. If they're if they allow it, maybe not share to YouTube, but I would like to, especially dogs that I'm going to work with on a regular basis that I'm not familiar with, just kind of filming it to see how the different sessions go with them. So if you are interested in letting me film a session with your dog, I would love to do that. As always, thank you for joining the pack. And if you want to know more, I'll drop the links below. You can follow me on YouTube, Facebook, Instagram. But Axel here, and you can see he's loving the pets today and the energy, so he's stuck around here the entire session. But like I said, some dogs at other times will tell me, okay, that's good, and walk away. But Axe, he's loving it right now. But that's, like I said, this is a general session with a dog that's comfortable with me. But just so we can talk through it and you can see some demonstrations on how it may go wide. All right. So thank you for tuning in today. It's Great Dane here with Axel, and we'll talk to you soon.